Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fudge for your cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of milk. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tiny pinch of salt. Make sure you have a good saucepan and a spatula. Now, let's start cooking. In your saucepan, combine the sugar, cocoa powder, and milk. Place it over medium heat. Stir these ingredients constantly until the mixture comes to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally during this time to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. This step is crucial for the fudge's texture. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Now, add your 1/2 cup of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Do not stir yet. Let it sit for a moment, then begin to beat the mixture vigorously with your spatula or a wooden spoon. Continue beating until the fudge becomes thick, smooth, and develops a beautiful glossy sheen. This step is key for that perfect texture. Once your fudge has reached that perfect consistency, let it cool down for just a few minutes. It should still be warm enough to spread easily, but not so hot that it melts your cake. Carefully spread an even layer of this rich, decadent chocolate fudge over your cooled cake. As the fudge continues to cool, it will set beautifully, creating a firm and delicious coating that everyone will love. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.